Hi guys, it's Avas from 20 Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to change default shipping address on Amazon. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to change default shipping address on Amazon. So let's get started. So guys, to change default shipping address on Amazon, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search by amazon.com. Simply click on first link. So guys, here you can see our Amazon homepage. So after that, simply you can see account option. So click on account option. So guys, to change shipping address, you can see this option, deliver to this. So click on it. Now in this option, you can see the option of manage address book. So click on it. So guys, here you can see return your addresses. So from here you can change your default shipping address. So to change here you can see this option, edit. So click on edit. So guys, from here you can edit or change your default shipping address. But if you want to add a new address, so simply go back. And here you can see the option of add addresses. So simply click on it. And from here you can add a new address. First, simply you have to select here your country. I'm going to select Pakistan. Then here you have to enter your full name. Like I'm going to enter 20 starters. And then you have to type your main address here. And then you have to type your city like Lahore. Then state province like Punjab. And then you have to enter your zip code. And here you have to enter your phone number, and after that simply you have to click on add addresses and your address will be added. So guys, here you can see we have changed default shipping address. So you can also change default shipping address by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.